So we back at it again. So we just took down the second tree. That's the first tree. That's the second tree. You know, cleared it all. Just barely got there, but dropped it right there. That'll be my next tree up there. That's touching the house. Now I'm gonna try and drop the same way over here. That's it for now. I'm just cutting, moving, cutting and moving, moving and grooving. It's that PNP life, man. It's all about work, you know, getting that work in. Getting that work in and doing what you gotta do to survive, man. One man. A little tired, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna chop this thing all up. Start chopping. And getting it out of here. I mean, this house is a disaster. Yeah. Alrighty then. So this is the next tree. It's leaning towards the house. So I wired it up to go that way. So if everything works out, that's where it's going. A little too close to the house, so we're gonna work it out. Alrighty, so we finished up. Got those 3 trees cut. Got all the debris moved. We're gonna be out of here. Gonna be a rough one. Trying to get. I think we could do it. We can make it look good, but those hazards, I don't know. I don't know what to do about this one. This one keeps on popping up, but we're gonna figure it out. Proper preservation, P&P life. It is what it is. We're gonna make it do what it do.